Hey everybody, it's Tony. This is my first vlog attempt. This is take 20, I believe. I keep starting it and stopping it, but it's just time to do it. I am currently signed into San Diego Code School's full stack JavaScript 12-week course. And this vlog is going to be a way for me to track progress and look back and just have something to see how I'm progressing. So I have a script that I'm going to read from, kind of like a baseline, since this is my first one. Just something as a guide, so if I'm looking down, you know what I'm doing. So yeah, signed into the San Diego Code School class, started on the 22nd, so this is officially my first week in the books. I'm feeling good. If you asked me on Wednesday, I would say, what did I get myself into? It's challenging. I did the pre-work for this class back it's probably been about 2 months now. So I think that's why, one of my first projects was kind of difficult, because the concepts were, I had a breach, but they would slowly come back to me. So, just really looking at the curriculum, looking at the instructions, things started to click again, and yeah, first week I feel good. There's a lot of ups and downs with learning how to code. I think even when you're 2-3 years down the road, you're still going to feel the same way. There's going to be ups and downs. It's not going to be perfect, but anyways, I'm feeling good now. Mostly because I'm not in a stage of being blocked by anything. I'm moving on to the third project now, so I'm just starting it, so there's no blockers. So yeah, good. So the biggest challenges I faced this week was, the first project, mostly because of what I talked about earlier. I'd done the pre-work 2 months ago, so some of the concepts. But yeah, I was pretty frustrated with not grasping a certain topic. I overcame that challenge by reaching out. There was one project, and the instructor, Mike, was like, this little portion I did in my code was cheating. And I didn't understand why it was, but the tests weren't passing because I had a value saved that wasn't. I was doing two things in one line of code that I should have been doing one, and then doing something else to go grab another value in an array. Anyways, it was so getting around that and trying to make the test pass were a major blocker, but overcoming it, being resourceful and asking the instructors for assistance. They won't give it to you, but they'll push you in the right direction, which is very helpful, because that's the way you're going to learn. They keep saying you have to struggle for it to sink in, and yeah, I definitely understand that concept now, and yeah, it really helps to make the content sink in, a lot more. So that was the biggest challenge, overcoming it by reaching out, being resourceful. One of the things that helped, one of the most important new things I learned this week, was console logging. That's a little concept. I was using alert, so every time I would want a value to show up, it would alert on the screen, and console logging is just a different way, but it's hidden in the console. So yeah, that was really helpful. And when I would get stuck on this certain project in the middle, I felt really stuck and kind of overwhelmed. I don't know how I'm going to get through this. But taking some steps back and really taking it line by line and console logging everything that line is doing really helped me to unpack and get myself unstuck and progress. So, you know, I'm thankful for a console log. But anyways, that really helped. And then any advice for anyone learning the topic? Just this class and classes in general. Being patient and trusting the process, especially with learning to code, but wherever you're learning it, and especially here at the San Diego Code School, just trust the process and don't get stuck on any problem too long. Reach out, ask the other students, ask your instructor for help, because it really helps out and helps you to not stay stuck in one section for too long, because it is only a 12-week course, so you want to progress in due time and in a good amount of time. So yeah, that's my first attempt at a vlog. Hope you guys liked it, and I will see you in the next one.